So here's our fan, ceiling fan. It's really nice. It was very easy to install, and that's how it dims with the light and changes. Gets brighter, and here's the other light setting. You can see the change in the color of the light. And then it has different speeds, and you can feel the fan. Our space is open, so you can feel it more. Of course, on a higher setting, you can feel it from further out in the room. But if it's on a low setting, you need to be sitting directly under it. And this is our little breakfast area, so it will be over the table. So we'll have it, the fan will be more efficient. But I like it. It's nice. And like I said, it was very easy to install.